She doesn't like and she'll never know your story. I do. 'Cause she wears short skirts, I wear t-shirts. She's cheer captain and I'm on the bleachers, dreaming about the day when you wake up and find that what you're looking for has been here the whole time. If you could see that I'm the one who understands you, been here all along, so why can't you see? You belong with me. You belong with me.
I'm gonna wreck one day because
Walking the streets with you and your worn out jeans. I can't help thinking this is how it ought to be.
I was just drunk to get off my ass.
Thinking to myself,